Several people spent the day cleaning up the damage after a storm surge hits an RV park in New Braunfels.
Eyewitness News photojournalist Alan Kozlu takes us there.
Yeah, the water just gushed through here.
Despite all the damage, Don Long can't help but think of his luck.
Think they'll be able to scan that? I hate to throw it away and it be a winter.
He's the owner of this trailer that got caught up in the flooding last night along the Guadalupe River.
The whole river is coming through here all the way up to that first pylon. And like you can see, it washed the fence out, moved trailers, it moved 3 or 4 other trailers there.
Long was one of several people who spent the day cleaning up damage at the River Ranch RV Resort in New Braunfels.
There was a trailer over there by the red one. It washed down the river.
He says the owners of the other trailer got out all right. A nearby light pole was all that kept his trailer from getting swept away too, though thanks to the warning system, he was not in it at the time.
About 2:45, there's a horn that sounds when the river gets too high, and it sounds like a police siren, and it just a steady blast.
But he says there were a few moments that the water rushing past his shins had him a bit concerned.
The water was rushing so hard, I was afraid if I didn't get that step down, I'm going down the river. So, yeah, it was. Yeah, I hate to admit you're scared, but I was.
Which is why he says he's glad no one at this RV park lost the one thing that can't be replaced.
Like I said, all this stuff can be replaced. It's not, and nobody was hurt. That was the main thing.
Alan Kozlu, KENS 5, Eyewitness News.